Hi everybody, this is Sherry Goss and I'm here today to tell you about the Norwex dusting mitt and why you need it. So let's just...
I think I'll take over from here, Mom. I know more about it than you do, because I'm smart. So the dusting mitt takes off everything off the surface and it holds onto that dust. You don't need to wash it, and here's a secret. You can use it to clean window screens. And you can also hit your brothers with it because it's very soft and fluffy. So you could also use it to cuddle at night. And you can also, use it to clean surfaces. You can use it as a cloth. Just put it in some water and...
Actually, he's right, and he did a very good job. So, he's always been my fan of the dusting mitt, and one of the things that I loved right from the beginning was he used to take it, clean my surfaces, and then dance around. So if you've ever been in my party and I've told you about that, this is the kit. And so since my husband and I and one of our cats was allergic to dust, that worried me, but it always sticks to the cloth, which is awesome. So that's what we wanted to tell you about the dusting mitt today. And make sure you're in my VIP group if you're one of my customers.
And also, there's a kid size.
There is a kid size, you're right. See, this is why he is better at this than I am.
It actually fits me.